guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Grace Miss More. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to support the girl. And to all my new viewers, why haven't you subscribed yet? Because honey, it's hot in here. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to apply Chebe on your hair. As you can see, my hair is still wet. I just washed it. So I've been getting DMs about what I use for my hair because it's a very nice afro. Just don't be fooled by this. It's a very nice afro, and I've got a hairline. As you can see, my hairline is precision. Everything is okay, honey. So I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to apply Chebe because that is what I use on my hair for it to grow, to look richer, to look everything, you know. It makes my hair look like a darling. So I just washed my hair with this shampoo. It's just this cheap easy wave shampoo. Well, firstly, what you're gonna need is the cacao oil. This is the Chebe cacao oil. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see. Focus, baby, focus. Yeah, this is the cacao oil, and then this is the Chebe hair food. This is how it looks inside. So it smells so nice, guys. It smells so nice, the hair food. So this is the Chebe powder, and this is how it looks inside. You're gonna need a clean container. I just took this container. There was a hair food inside, so I just cleared it up and washed it. And then also you're gonna need a spoon, and then as you guys can see, I'm gonna need a spoon of each. As you can see, I'm pouring into my container a spoon of the Chebe powder, the spoon of the Chebe cacao oil, and lastly a spoon of the Chebe hair food. And then I'm gonna mix them just like so, just so they can have the consistency that you guys are about to see. So after washing my hair, I just braid it into these blocks, and then whilst it's still a bit damp, I'm going to unbraid it, right? Unbraiding it, I braided it just so I could have control of my hair because my hair is so full. So what I am going to do, after having unbraided it like so, right, I'm gonna take my Chebe mixture and then put some on my fingers, and then just apply some. And then after applying some, what I'm going to do is braid it back again. Oh, it was not. Just so I can lock in the moisture. This is what I do. Braid it back again. Some people who prefer for their Chebe mixture not to land on their scalp, but I personally have been applying it on my scalp, like the residue of my Chebe. I just like apply it on my scalp and then everything is well. I've never, to be honest, experienced any dandruff or experienced any hair breakage, hair loss, or any itchy scalp, like anything, like all the side effects that some other YouTubers are saying that Chebe does to their hair and their scalp. I've never, in my personal opinion, experienced that. So after having applied to all the parts of my hair, I'm left with this as a residue. So what I'm gonna do with this residue, I'm just gonna like rub it in on my scalp, even on my hairline. Just like so. Rub it in. Then you're gonna need a shower cap, a plastic shower cap. If you don't have a plastic shower cap, then you're gonna need a plastic, and then you're gonna like put it on your head just like this. When you feel like your hair is drying up, you're gonna need to apply the Chebe hair food on your hair at least after every 3 days like of the process. And then after that, I want something to wipe my hands with because they are not looking good. Let me get something to wipe my... Okay, I found something to wipe my hands with. And then after that, you're gonna need, if you don't mind sleeping with only the shower cap on, then you're gonna need, if you mind. If you don't mind, you can do that, but if you mind, you can just look for a duke or a hair bonnet, anything you can use just to cover the plastic on, and then just tie it like so. And then you can spend the rest of your day like this, or you can go to sleep like this. But what you have to do is you have to keep this on your head for a minimum of 7 days and a maximum of 14 days. So I would like for you guys to, if you are going to buy this, whereby I will link the contact details of the person whom you will get this combo from. What they go by 180 per combo, so she delivers nationwide with Pexi, which is it's not 100, I'm lying, which is 60 bucks. Yeah, which is 60 bucks. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please, if ever you're gonna purchase this, I would like for you to like post on Instagram and tag me to show me the before and after of your hair. As I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna show you guys the before and after of my hair on Instagram. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the girl. Bye.